Welcome to The Curious. In this video we are going to know about the world's second largest beverage company, known as PepsiCo. PepsiCo is an American multinational food, snack, and beverage corporation, which is founded by Caleb Bradham. PepsiCo.Inc. was established through the merger of Pepsi-Cola and Frito-Lay in 1965. The headquarters of PepsiCo is situated in Harrison, New York, in the hamlet of Purchase. Ramon Laguarta is the current Chief Executive Officer of PepsiCo. Laguarta joined the company PepsiCo in January 1996. On August 6, 2018, it was announced he will ascend to the role of CEO when past CEO Indra Nooyi steps down. The recipe for the soft drink Pepsi was first developed in 1880s by Caleb Bradham, a pharmacist and industrialist from New Bern, North Carolina. He coined the name Pepsi Cola in 1898. As the cola developed in popularity, he created Pepsi Cola Company in the year 1902 and registered a patent for his recipe in 1903. The company went bankrupt in 1931. And on June 8 of that year, the trademark and syrup recipe were purchased by Charles Guth, who owned a syrup manufacturing business in Baltimore. Guth was also the president of Loft Incorporated, a leading candy manufacturer, and he used the company's labs and chemists to reformulate the syrup. In the early 1960s, Pepsi Cola's product lines expanded with the creation of Diet Pepsi and purchase of Mountain Dew. In 1965, the Pepsi Cola Company merged with Frito-Lay to become PepsiCo Inc. Herman Lay, former chairman and CEO of Frito-Lay, was chairman of the board of directors of the new company. Donald M. Kendall, former president and chief executive officer of Pepsi Cola, was president and CEO of the new company. The new company reports sales of $510 million and has 19,000 employees. PepsiCo has since expanded from its namesake product Pepsi to a broader range of food and brands. In the year 1998, PepsiCo acquires Tropicana products from Seagram Company Limited, the biggest acquisition ever undertaken by PepsiCo. In 2001, PepsiCo merges with the Quaker Oats Company, which added the Gatorade brand to its portfolio. And on 2008, PepsiCo announces plans to invest $1 billion in China over the next 4 years, as part of the strategy to expand in emerging markets and broaden the portfolio of locally relevant products. In the year 2017, PepsiCo reported earnings of $4,857 billion, with an annual revenue of $62.525 billion. PepsiCo's market capitalization was valued at over $155.33 billion in December 2018. PepsiCo ranked number 45 on the 2018 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. In 2015, PepsiCo celebrates its 50th anniversary as a combined food and beverage company. Thanks for watching the video. Please get subscribed to Curious for further updates and to get updated with thousands of curiosities.